Building the game is the final step in the production pipeline. To build the game means to compile any open scenes, along with their code, game assets, sounds, and any other game objects, into a file that can be read or played by the chosen platform. To build a game, choose File and Build Settings. In the Build Settings, we can configure Unity for different platforms, and there are many available. These range from web player to PC, Mac, and Linux standalone, to Android and iOS, and also many consoles. What the Build Settings will let you do is to choose the scenes you want to be part of your game. For the Zombie Toys game, we have one scene, which is our entire game level, and Unity has automatically added this in to the Scenes in Build. We can see Scenes Main is selected. When we select a platform then, we're given configuration options for that particular platform. In this case, I've selected PC, Mac, and Linux standalone, and here we can see our target platform is for Mac OS X. The platforms available here in the build settings are dependent on what platforms were installed with Unity, and you can choose at any point to install additional platforms if needed. Many of them, such as the consoles, have specialized hardware that's optimized for the platform. You can see in here we can build for the Xboxes and also the PlayStations, PS Vita, Windows Store, and Samsung TV. And again, there are many more options available. Once you've selected your platform, you can choose the target platform and any architecture choices available. In the architecture section, this allows you to choose for different chipsets available with that platform. In this case, the default x86 is selected for Mac OS X. When you're ready to build the game, click Build and Run. Unity will open a dialog that allows you to name your game, in this case Zombie Toys, and place it in a folder of your choice. I'm going to put this game into my Zombie Toys folder in my documents, and I've named it zombietoys.app, as this will be a Mac app. If you're building on a PC, you'll be building an exe, or executable file. When you've named your file, click Save to build your game. Unity has built the game, and we can see a note, Build Successful, in the top right of the interface. Unity will then open, because we clicked Build and Run, the Zombie Toys configuration, and this is the configuration menu available to players when they launch the game. Because we haven't chosen any player settings or put in any other resolutions, these are the default settings available. In this configuration dialog, you can choose the resolution to play the game and also the quality, trading speed for graphics quality. The input section shows the player inputs as they're mapped. This is a default WASD mapping, along with the mouse controls for looking around. If we scroll down, we can see the additional controls we have added in. Tab for switching between our 4 particle attacks, and 1 to summon the ally, the dog or the sheep. At any point, a player can select these and double-click on an entry to change it. When you're ready to play, click Play to play the Zombie Toys game. In the next videos, we'll look at configuring the player settings and also adding in a splash screen here in the configuration.